Good morning, you guys. Good morning. Happy Wednesday, you guys. I have my first order, $15. I'm going to shop for 5 items, and it's going, I think, like 4 miles. I don't remember. So let's go. Just received another order, you guys. $19 going 6 miles and 3 drop off. First drop off. Ouch. All right. Second drop off. Received another order, you guys. $20. I'm going to shop for 2 people. And yeah, I'm going to shop for 2 people. And also get the first person has like 7 items and the other one have like 5 items. So it's still good. And I think I'm going only like 3 miles. Let's go. Got a shopping order, you guys. $16. I'm going to shop for 5 items and it's going 7 miles. So let's go shop for this order. $37. Done shopping for this order. This order was super easy. So let's go and check out right now. Yo, this order over here, it was a shopping order. $19 for 7 miles. So I am here. Let's go drop it off. Received another shopping order for $10 going, I think it was 4 miles. And I'm only going to shop for 3 items. So let's go shop. Yo, I just received another order. This is the 2 people that I'm shopping for. $19 for 4 mayo for 2 people. So I'm going to give my last items. So today's going good. I think it's the weather because it's been raining from in the morning. So I'm giving a lot of shopping orders because I think a lot of people don't want to come shop by themselves, you know. Okay, y'all, now it's starting to snow non-stop. And get, ooh, something. And I have an order, y'all. I'm thinking how I'm getting out of this brand. It's not a lot, but it's pouring, you know. I have an order, $18. It's a shopping order plus pharmacy order. I'm only going to shop for 11 items. And right now it's 2 something, y'all. 2 something. And if I add this one to my total, I'm gonna be on 143. 143. But if it keeps pouring like this might be my last one, because I don't want to keep working in the rain, y'all. But let's see how this goes. Let's go in and get this pharmacy order and shop these 11 items and see. Alright, I already picked up my pharmacy order. So now let's go shop. Go shop for 11 items. You guys, let me breathe. It's been long day. Yo, I was busy. The last order that she saw me doing, after that one I did like 4 orders. If it's not 3 orders, I'm gonna put it over here. And it was only shopping order back to back. Shopping order. You guys, and right now it's 5. 5 p.m. you guys. I'm just waiting for one more order before I go home. One more order, you guys. One more order before I go home. It's been such a beautiful day, but the weather, it was nasty, like bad weather, y'all. But I stayed through, y'all. I can't believe. Ooh, I have an order. Let me go check it out. Okay, it's one of the bad order. So it's 5 right now. I hope I get one more order, good order, before I even go home. But I'm so thankful. I'm about to reach $200, you guys. If I give one more order, I'm gonna reach $200. So I can't wait for that. I can't wait. Happy Wednesday. Anyway, if you're enjoying this video, go ahead and subscribe. Hit subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please help me get to 1,000, y'all. We are almost there. I can't wait. Yo, I gave myself to April, like on my birthday. My birthday is April 14. So I gave myself to April 14. And monetize my channel. And I'm hoping by April, we're going to have 1,000 subscribers. Yo, I can't wait. Ooh, I have another order. Let me go check it out. Yo, it's 5:34 right now. I just now got an order. I sat here for 30 minutes without an order. So finally I have my last order, which is $23, and it's going for Mayo, and it's a shopping order. I'm going to shop for a lot of items, but I don't care. 27 items, I believe. Yeah, I'm going to shop for 27 items. So let's go, and this is my last order, you guys. My last order of the day. Today we study. I don't think I tell you what time I study. I don't think so. I took my first order around 8. Yes, it was 8. So 8 to 5. I'm probably gonna finish this order 6 something. So let's go shop this order. I'm gonna make sure I do it fast because I wanna get home and do chores. So anyway, I'm talking too much. Let me just go shop for this order. But it's a lot of items, y'all. It's a lot. This is the biggest order that I shopped today. I didn't even shop for over 15 items. Like everything that like all my orders today was a shopping order, and I only shopped items that was under, I think there was under like 13 items, I believe. For 13 items or 15 items. So this is 27 items. It's like, ooh, it's a lot. But I don't care. Let's go shop this order. You guys, I just realized that I didn't end my video. I don't know how I got distracted. So I'm home right now, and we made 223, you guys. 223. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share the video. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to thumbs up. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.